Hello YouTube, welcome back to my workbench. Here with me Matt, and as you can see in front of me I have a Great Western Small Prairie. This one is in its limited edition colour of London Transport L150, or in the real world I believe it's 5521. This is another project for NEM couplings or NEM converters. I got this down from the loft in January, wanting to put KDs on it. Shock and horror, a stepped tension lock coupling presented me, which meant the NEM pocket was a little bit higher than what it should be. So that was a bit of a problem. So this one went into the box awaiting to be done, and over the last couple of months there's been trials, tribulations and samples handed out and had a look at, all that kind of thing. So this one was up for converting to a lower position. So I went into my CAD package and started designing up a load of things and bits and pieces. We are now sat here in early March, and finally I have a solution. And this is probably one of the most simple videos and instruction videos you will ever see. So here is a cranked coupling. As you can see, stepped downwards to get down to the right level. This is from another model, I believe, a Southern Railway van wagon. But these on here are slightly different. So what I've gone into my CAD software and designed is one of these. So as you can see, it's got an NEM pocket. It's cut down at the back, but it features the springable prongs. Now these have been printed in resin with a slight mix, with some added flex in there just so they hopefully don't break. But I would possibly advise you to put these in warm water for a few seconds, and then they should be a little bit more pliable and less likely to snap. So going back to the model here, these have two pony trucks, one at the front, one at the back, and this conversion is quite simple. Simply pull away tension lock. As you can see, stepped. We don't want that. So these ones will go straight into the pocket, which you can see here at the front hopefully. Just hold the pony truck, simply ease these in. These haven't been warmed. I do recommend warming them up. And it goes, you can see there, push, and as you can hear, it slots straight in, nice and secure. All you need to do is fit your KDs. So as you can see in front of us, we have the KD fitted. This KD on here is a KD18 and it is fitted into the new converter. If we just scroll around, you can see that the buffer heads are in line with the flat section of the KD. So that is basically what we want. And I will now take it over to the KD height gauge to check that it's in the right place. You can see I've also fitted a converter to the rear, just so you can see. This one is just about in line with the front of the buffer beam, as it is on the front as well. So that is basically what we need. And I will take it to the coupling height gauge and we'll have a look. Okay, let's just roll it up to the KD height gauge. Perfect, spot on, right height, everything I need to get it to the right height. And just to double check it's no fluke, we'll swap the loco around, put it back on the track. So it has the same height converter, and perfect again. So as I say, most simple solution possible. These will be available from the Made Me website shop. The link is in the description below. They should be priced at £2 for 4, so just in case you need a spare or have more than one locomotive to do. This is probably the best solution going at the moment, and I'll be also looking at wagons as well for these. They're not the same, so do not buy these if you're going to convert a wagon. This is just for the Bachmann Prairie. I hope you enjoy watching these instruction videos, and they'll be available from eBay and the Made Me website on the 12th of March. So look forward to seeing a few orders. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.